It's a new 2019 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, active grille shutters, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, aluminum wheels, heavy-duty shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver hails pretty much everything about this new truck is very well executed. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
The friendly professionals at Perkins Motors are proud to serve the surrounding communities of Denver, Littleton, and Pueblo, Colorado. We're conveniently located at 1205 Motor City Drive in Colorado Springs, Colorado.